Well, good morning, folks. We survived the night. It was a very peaceful night. A couple noises in the night, but nothing too bad. The hang could have been a little bit better, but it still wasn't too bad. We made it. We're just going to let things dry out here now. Got some dew that settled on top of the hammock, and we'll be getting ready to hit the road. I shouldn't say hit the road. We're going to be getting ready to hit the river, but it'll be a little while yet. I don't know if I'll cook breakfast here or I'll maybe go down the river a little ways because I ate such a huge supper last night. had such a huge supper last night. I usually don't ever eat that much. So I am having a late breakfast, which is more like lunch. We'll have leftover potatoes with the chicken of the woods mushrooms, and then we'll cook up some bacon and some eggs. And now we got our bacon going. Can you smell that? Okay, now that our bacon is done, I have some fresh eggs I got from my son and his wife and their family. And because they have chicken, so that'll be great to go with this. And we'll be getting those on shortly. Okay, they're looking pretty good right there now. We're going to throw some water in here and try to steam them a little bit. See how that goes. Okay, we got our lunch cooked here. I think I told you before, but we got 2 fresh eggs, potatoes and chicken of the woods mushrooms combined, and some bacon. And that will be delicious because I'm hungry. So, you know, when you're hungry, everything tastes good. Well, I thought I better say what kind of a boat I'm using here. This is a ocean kayak, made by Ocean Kayak. It's a Trident 13 model. It has a rudder on the back for use in the lakes and stuff like that. It has storage, you know, waterproof storage. It has a spot for a fish locator, depth finder, whatever you want to call it. It has a spot for a tackle box. It has an anchor set up on it, so you can drop anchor if you're in the river. You know, you can go ahead and drop anchor and it'll hold you. Adjustable. And other than that, it's a set on top kayak, if I didn't mention that. But it's worked very well for me. I like it. I've saw them even set up with sails on them. They got in the front of them, they have a deal where you can put a sail on them, and you can use them for a sailboat, or use it for, you know, the wind to blow you around, whatever. Anyway, thought I'd throw that in there. Well, folks, I don't know what I'm going to do yet with these videos. I got a lot of footage, and I don't know how I'd ever cram it in. I might make 2, or I just cut a bunch. I don't know which. But anyway, I want to thank you all for watching. I appreciate any comments you may have. And remember, it's a great big world out there, so let's get outdoors and have some fun. Anything outdoors. Even if it's just sitting on a chair like I'm doing right now, looking at the river. Just sitting outdoors is good.